Welcome to Salient Training's Best Practices videos. This is part 4 of our motion detection series. In this segment, we focus on basic maintenance tasks so you can consistently record your motion events, have fewer false positives on motion detection, and have clear, clean video to review. So let's get started. Camera maintenance is important not just when recording motion, but for any camera mounted at your site. Proper maintenance ensures that your scenes are fully visible and helps keep your video quality high. Our first best practice to consider is changing environments, especially for outdoor cameras. Trees with seasonal leaves may cause issues when cameras are mounted in the fall, but by spring and summer, the leaves are blocking your view. The same goes for various plants that grow at different rates. Keep an eye on the foliage around your cameras and schedule trimming when they begin encroaching on your scene. Another consideration is that plants and trees tend to attract wildlife and insects. Birds may end up using your camera or mount as a nesting site, and it's common to see spider webs across the face of camera shrouds. Periodic checks and cleaning can help prevent those from obscuring your view. Dust and dirt often collect on camera lenses or lens covers, so routine cleaning of these areas helps ensure that your views remain unobstructed. Also, be sure to check your lenses and lens covers for scratches and replace them as needed. Finally, always remember to keep your camera firmware up to date. Updating firmware can improve your camera's security, stability, and functionality by fixing any bugs, glitches, or errors that may cause your camera to malfunction, freeze, or crash. Updates can even enhance your camera's features by adding new modes, options, or functions that can improve your video quality. And that covers our best practices tips for camera maintenance, but be sure to check out our other videos for more best practices. If you found this video helpful, follow us for more best practices videos, and if you have comments on our videos, send an email to training@salientsys.com. Thanks for watching.